Go, go, go. Come here, good damn. In the corner. Oh, bro, I just cost him
walk. They're still there, they're still there. They're still there. They're still there. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it, eat it. It's dead.
Area.
They're back, they're back, they're back.
Move! Mate! Bro, you're so irritating. Oh, bro, the washing machine over there. Bro.
Oh, yep, he ate it off mine.
Huh?
He ate it off.
Off.
He's on mine.
On. In the middle,
You're on, Casper, you're on.
I know. Oh. Nearly fell in the water. Holy shit. I'm on, I'm on. I do.
Look at that. Oh, he's on it. Nah, they're so fussy, bro. I'm using 50 pound. They're still so fussy. There's one with a tag, he's 90. There's other ones. And then that's the one with the tag there. Bunch of 80s, 75s. They were dishwashing before, but now they're just completely spooked. Obviously the yakka isn't working, but nothing much I can do. Alright, they're obviously hitting smaller profiles, so we're putting on this 3-inch power bait minnow. I'm in the bass color. It's not clear, but I did want to clear, but I didn't bring the pack. Bring on a jig head, we're just gonna put that on the light. And on the heavy 50 pound setup, we're gonna put a Sluggo 9-inch. So that's what we're using. I'm just gonna cut off what we have on now and we'll change it up. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. There they are, there they are, look at that. They're eating those micro yakkas or mullet. Just and look at this, the fella back there is using a treble hook and chicken. Have a look at this. The kings. What the heck? The fella over there is on with chicken. He's getting absolutely smoked. He's getting smoked. Oh, he lost it, he lost it. He lost it. Unlucky, mate. Alright, just then he had a treble hook and a chicken, and I think one of the rats, or he snagged it, I'm not sure. Either way, it's pretty strange. They hit the chicken, not our liveys. But now resorted to lures because they're just not hitting our live baits. Look at that, they're just busting up on the corner there. They're gonna come back around, I think. They're just right there at the gutter there where the drain is.
Oh my god, they're everywhere there. Oh yes, Dylan, yes! Skeleton!
Got him!
Yep, I'm on! He's big! Walk. Go. Come here, come here. Fuck. Go. Win. Oh. On the slide, guys. Fuck. Go, watch out. Bring it. With a hand. Go. Come on, go, come on. You got doubles! You got it. Doubles. Oh my god! Doubles on. Doubles on 80s. Let's go! Oi, wash them off, get photos, bro. They're going back in, but... Brag mat. You know, I'll grab the brag
Oh, no,
rack.
they're just too big. We're just split fishing.
Oh, okay.
Get the brag rack. Wow, I love it.
Put both together.
Yeah, put them both together, Casper. Wait, we'll get a double photo after.
Yeah, doubles. They're both 80.
I'll get you on by yourself.
Bro, they're both. It's 82, it's 82, it's 82. Hold on. It's
Casper's
84, 84, 84.5.
Yeah, that's it.
massive team.
Oh, mine's ready already.
Okay, 3, 2.
Yes!
Come on, buddy.
Wait. Right, go, 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 go. Get him, get him, get him. Yes, Dylan, go, go, go.
Oh my God. He'll just take a bit to revive. Yeah, he's good, he's good. There we go. Massive. On lure, let's go. Can't believe we did that.
Bro! Holy shit! Yes! Yes, bro.
Did you swim off?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Both swam off.
Thanks so much.
Kingfish. You're welcome. What a day, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boys!
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching this video. Please let me know down below what you thought of it. It was definitely a pleasure to make. And also shout out to Casper Fishing on Instagram for his part in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.